Alright, so we're on the way home. Just chilling. It was a good day. It was definitely a good day. Yeah. Dark days. I love that line. What's that line? You know the part where it says, "Am me alone born?" Yeah. Run that line there.
Me alone born, rather stay lonely.
Yeah, I definitely love the line there. Me alone born, rather stay lonely.
Yeah, that song there.
Yeah, you write it.
That song there.
To have enough conscious lyrics tonight, you know? Enough people can relate.
Definitely.
Alright, that's it. Look up Dark Days Recovery EP.
Yeah. Venus.
Venus Musiq.
Venus. Music with a Q.
Music with a Q.